Installing a dimmer is really quite simple. This video will give you an overview of how to properly and safely install your new Lutron dimmer. For more detailed steps on how to install your dimmer or for printable instructions, please visit www.lutron.com. Before you begin, you'll need to turn your power off at the circuit breaker. Confirm the power is off by flipping the switch you're going to replace on and off. Now that the power is off, unscrew the wall plate and switch mounting screws and pull the switch away from the wall. If you're replacing a single pole switch, which controls one light or group of lights from one location, you'll see a green wire or screw on the switch connected to a green or copper wire in the wall box. This green or copper wire is your ground wire. You'll also see two black wires from your wall box connected to your switch. If you're replacing a three-way switch, which controls one light or group of lights from more than one location, you'll have a ground wire, plus three other wires. One of those additional wires will be attached to a dark-colored screw. This is your common wire. Use a piece of electrical tape to mark the common wire. Next, disconnect all wires from the old switch by loosening the screws and unhooking the wires from the mounting screws. Now you can install your dimmer. If you have a single pole application, connect the green dimmer wire to the green or copper ground wire in the wall box using a wire connector that came with your dimmer. Twist clockwise to tighten the connector. Then connect the remaining dimmer wires to the remaining wall box wires. If you have a three-way application, connect the green dimmer wire to the green or copper ground wire in the wall box. Next, connect the black dimmer wire to the common wire that you marked with electrical tape. Remove the tape, then connect the remaining dimmer wires to the remaining wall box wires, called traveler wires. In a typical three-way application, the traveler wires will be red or white with black markings. Now you can carefully tuck the wires back into the wall box. Align the dimmer against the wall. Place the wall plate adapter over it and mount the dimmer and adapter in place by tightening the screws. Then snap the front of the wall plate into place. Finally, turn the power back on at the breaker, and you're done. Now you can enjoy the ambiance you'll get from dimming your lights, as well as the energy savings.